Joining the RCMP means running a rigorous 9-stage gauntlet. For the average successful applicant, it takes 330 days just to clear the paperwork and reach the training academy. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete roadmap of the process, allowing you to sidestep the most common disqualification traps and successfully submit your application. First, you have to meet 4 baseline prerequisites. You must be at least 18 years old, a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, hold a high school diploma, and possess a valid driver's license. Even with those checked off, there are hard stops. Any pending criminal charges, any criminal activity within the last year, or an active personal bankruptcy will instantly close your file. Verifying these baselines is not a formality. Failing these hard stops closes your file before it ever opens, making a thorough self-audit the true first test of an applicant. Stage 1 requires creating a GCKey account and using the exact search term police officer on the GC Jobs portal. Take your time here. If your initial submission contains any missing information or data errors, you trigger an immediate 6-month deferral before you can try again. Once you successfully submit the application, recruiters will reach out with an invitation to the Stage 2 career presentation. Treat this presentation as a stealth evaluation. Recruiters observe your professional conduct and grade your demeanor from the moment you arrive. The RCMP uses these first 2 stages to weed out careless candidates. Your attention to detail and ability to act professionally are graded well before a formal interview. This chart breaks down the Stage 3 online entrance assessment. You have 14 days to complete 6 sections: work style preference, language comprehension, numerical skills, spatial reasoning, memory quotient, and business judgment. Do not game the work style preference section. Answer honestly. Stage 4 introduces sudden, strict deadlines. Once a recruiting analyst contacts you, you have a 14-day window to upload a massive document package to a secure portal. This includes 5 highly specific RCMP forms that must be electronically completed and signed, along with your driver's abstracts and passport photos. Missing that 14-day upload window or misrepresenting your personality on the entrance exam are unforced errors. Success requires gathering your paperwork months before the RCMP actually asks for it. This brings us to the Stage 5 attribute evaluation interview. Prepare real-life behavioral examples using the STAR method, breaking your stories into situation, task, action, and result. The secondary phase of this interview is the applicant questionnaire review. In this room, omitting past mistakes yields a far harsher penalty than admitting them. Next are the health standards. Stages 6 and 7 consist of the RCMP-funded medical and psychological evaluations, along with applicant-funded vision and hearing exams. Stage 8 is the field investigation. Background investigators will scrutinize 10 years of your employment history, check your credit, and document all international travel. The RCMP tolerates documented past mistakes. Attempting to hide your medical history or behavioral flaws during these checks is an unforgivable breach of integrity. Stage 9 is Depot Division in Regina. You will spend 26 weeks in highly structured paramilitary residential training. To graduate, you must pass the newly implemented police fitness assessment. It is demanding enough that physical training must begin months before you apply. The exact requirements: run 500 meters, scale a 1.4-meter fence, and drag a 54-kilogram dummy. Arriving underprepared for the physical assessment is the most common reason candidates fail at the finish line. Your physical preparation must run parallel to your paperwork. This 9-stage journey takes 12 to 18 months, but the payoff at the end is immediate. Cadets earn $1,000 a week during depot training, and graduation opens the door to over 150 specialized career paths across the country. Do not go to the GC Jobs portal today. First, go gather your birth certificate, request your transcripts, and pull your driver's abstracts. The RCMP application process is a deliberate test of endurance, designed to ensure only the most organized and truthful candidates earn the right to wear the red serge.